After over 127 days of lockdown, Aringer Anna Zoological Park has finally been reopened, and we can see here that hundreds of people have already started coming to see the animals in their enclosure. And this is like a big relief for families who have been inside their homes for quite some time, for children who have been inside the four walls of their house. So at this point of time, we can see that families are coming here along with their children as relaxations have been brought about, proper SOPs have been put into place, and we can see the kind of excitement among these families as they are visiting these animals and seeing all these things which were not possible because of the COVID-19 pandemic. In just a single day since the zoo being reopened, over 1,200 people had visited the Vandalur Zoo, which is one of the largest zoos in the country. And we're seeing that this place has a capacity to hold around 7,000 people with following proper SOPs, which include social distancing. And they've also set up places where people can regularly sanitize their hands. And there are new notice boards which have been put into place stating that nobody should be touching the barricades which have been put around these enclosures, and also taking into account the safety measures. They have also prohibited entry into small restricted space entries like aquarium and also the snake park. And similarly, small enclosures here have been closed, and also the tiger safari and the deer safari, which are much of the attraction of Vandalur Zoo, those also have been prohibited here during this pandemic time. But still, authorities here have been saying that there are many people coming in, and during the weekends, they're expecting a much larger crowd. Generally, before the pandemic, Vandalur Zoo used to receive around 20 lakh footfall a year. But because of the pandemic, the last year and a half, mostly the zoo has been closed, especially because of the second wave. The last 4 months, 4 to 5 months had been completely closed. But now, once again, people have slowly started trickling in, and the hope of the authorities here is that everything will be moving smooth if people follow the standard operating procedures which have been put into place. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshaya Nath for India Today.